Hello everyone, welcome to Dhyan Jyoti Academy. Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today let us continue with the exercise. So the next problem, that is the third problem given for us in the third main, is 5 dash comma 9 1 by 2 is given. So the first term is given for you, that is it is a is equal to 5 is given, and you are given with the fourth term, children. There are two missing terms for you and the fourth term is given for you. So fourth term, let us see. Fourth term is equal to a4, that is 9 1 by 2. So let us try to find this using the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So a4 is given for you. A4 is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, that is we have to substitute. A4 is equal to, a value is 5 plus n is 4 minus 1. From here we will find out what is d. D is not given for us. So A4 is 9 1 by 2 means 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 1 19 by 2. So let me write here 19 by 2 is equal to, now 5 plus 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 into d is, yes, it is 3d. So let me transpose the variable one side and the constants on other side. 19 by 2 minus 5 will be equal to 3d here. So 19 by 2, that is I have to take out the LCM here. 19 will remain as it is. 5 into 2 will be 10, which is equal to 3d. Therefore 3d will be equal to 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. From here I can find out the value of d, 9 by 2. Now observe here, this is in the numerator. So when it is transposed, it reciprocates. So it will be 1 by 3. I can simplify here. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So value of d will be 3 by 2. So the first term given for us here is 5. That is a equal to 5 is given. So what will be the second term, that is the missing term here? Second term will be equal to 5 plus 3 by 2. So what is 5 plus 3 by 2? Once again the LCM. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 13 by 2. And the third term will be equal to 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here no need to take out the LCM because the denominators are same. 13 plus 3 will be 16 by 2. If you want, you can simplify this. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. You can write it as 8 also. Therefore our given sequence will be now 5 comma second term, that is 13 by 2, which you can also write it as 6 1 by 2, and the third term will be 8. Fourth term is given 9 1 by 2, that is nothing but 19 by 2. Now let us see what is the fourth problem here. Fourth problem given for us is minus 4 comma, there are 4 missing terms for you, comma dash comma 6. So you are given with the first term and you are given with the sixth term. 4 missing terms, 4 terms are missing here. You have to find all the 4 terms, and this we can do it by using the formula. Here given for us is a is equal to minus 4, and the sixth term means it is a6. a6 is equal to 6. It means value of n is what? N is also 6. From here let me write an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore an is 6 for us. A value is minus 4 plus n is 6 minus 1. D you have to find out. So let me write 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 6 minus 1 is 5, 5d. From here I can write it as 5d is equal to 6. Minus 4, when it is transposed, it will be plus 4. So 5d is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. So value of d is 2. So from this d is equal to 2. Let me write what is the second term. Second term will be equal to minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Third term is equal to minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. Fourth term is equal to 0 plus 2, that is 2. Fifth term is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. And sixth term, children, now to this 4 if you add 2, you should get 6. So 4 plus 2 is once again 6 for us. So what is the given sequence? Minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4 and 6. Let us go for the next problem, that is fifth one. So fifth question here given for you is first term itself is missing, comma 38, comma another 3 terms are missing here. Then you are given with the next term, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the sixth term is given for you. So from here you have to find out the first term, third, fourth and fifth term. So for this let us first write down what is given for us. Given for us is second term, that is we can write it as A2 is given. A2 is how much given for you? 38, as well as A6 given for us is minus 22. So A2 means what, children? A2 is nothing but A plus D. According to our general form of the sequence, first term is A plus D. I'll just write it for you here. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. Then our sixth term will be A plus 5D. Isn't it? So from here it will be easy for us to find out what is the value of D. Okay, A plus D is 3D. It means A plus 5D will be equal to how much? A plus 5D will be equal to minus 22. Now from here I will just take out what is the value of A. A will be equal to 38 minus D. So let me write this as equation 1, and from this the value of A what I get, I will substitute it in A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. It means I will just substitute the value of A so that we remain with the variables only D. So if I substitute value of A, I will get variable D. So it will be 38 minus D plus 5D, which is equal to minus 22. So now simplify this. 38 minus D, same variables, minus D plus 5D. Minus D plus 5D will be equal to plus 4D, which is equal to minus 22. Now 4D I will keep it here as it is. Let me transpose this. 38 from LHS to RHS, it will be minus 38. 4D will be equal to minus 22 minus 38, which gives you 60. So D will be equal to 60 divided by 4. So D value will get it as 15. 4 into 15 gives us 60. Therefore D is equal to 15. So here 4D is equal to minus 22 and minus 38. So therefore my 4D will be equal to minus 60 and D value will be minus 15. So A, you substitute value of D minus 15 in 3D, 38 minus 8. So 38 minus of minus 15. 38 minus of minus 15. So A will be equal to 38 minus into minus is plus 15. Therefore A is equal to 53. So what is the first term? First term is 53. First term is 53. Second term is 38. 38 you have to add D. To 38 if you add minus 15, what do you get? The third term. The third term you will get it as so 38, I'll just write it for you here. What is the third term, 38 minus 15 will be the third, which is 23. Then fourth term will be 23 minus 15, which will give you 8. And 8 minus 15 will give you minus 7. So third term, fourth term, fifth term. You can check this sixth term for you. 7 minus 15 gives you minus 22, which is already present in our sequence. Therefore, the sequence will be in the form of 53, 38, 23, 8, minus 7, minus 22. So, this is the given sequence. So, let us solve the fourth main question. Fourth main question given for you is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78. So, you are given with which term of an AP is 78, they have asked you. It means you are given with the first term A is equal to 3 and common difference you can find, that is 8 minus 3, which gives you 5. Common difference will be 5 and this is of course equal to 13 minus 8, which gives us 5. Therefore, AN you are given with 78, but it is not value of n here. AN you are given with the 78. You have to find out what is the value of n, because what is the nth term you have to find out. Which is that nth term which gives you 78, you have to find out. So, let us substitute it in our formula, that is AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, what is AN? AN is 78, A is 3 plus n you have to find out into D is 5. So, 78 is equal to 3 plus 5 into n is 5n. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 78 is equal to 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 5n. So, let me transpose the constant from RHS to LHS. 78 minus 2 will be now plus 2, which is equal to 5n. Therefore, 5n will be equal to 78 plus 2, that is 5n is equal to 80. N is equal to 80 divided by 5. That is 5 ones are 5 into 16 gives us 18. 16 5s is 18. Therefore, n is 16 means, what does it mean? N is 16 means 16th term of the given AP is equal to 78. So, AN is equal to 78 means A16 is equal to 78. So, this was up to the fourth main of the exercise 1.2. Next, we shall continue in the next class. If you like the video, press the like button, share it and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.